Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. I really like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlinestr. That's the YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis. I apologize for the sound of my voice today. My voice is a little bit husky. I guess it's because it's flu season here in South Africa, so you can hear me sneezing at some point and just having I think I caught flu. Anyway, let's not focus on our sickness or on my sickness at the moment. Let's focus on our chart. This is NASDAQ100. I apologize, excuse me. NASDAQ100, and we are on our. Let's start with our daily time frame so that we can really know what is happening with our chart. We can witness, or we just witnessed a few days ago, that our chart managed to break previous resistance. Remember, this was our previous resistance, our highest high position, and now the price, let me bring it closer, let me just zoom it in so that we can be more visible to be able to see what I'm talking about. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, this is what is happening. The market managed to break our previous highest point, and now it's created, or it's about to create a new resistance. We might have the price, or we might witness in the price having a pullback, so that we can have a flag pattern. Remember, I always use both what do you call strategy. My strategy on trading this index is I'm using the structure. I'm focusing on the structure movement. I'm focusing on the fundamentals. I'm also using the indicators. So the indicator that I'm focusing on is RSI. I guess you know RSI most. So as we can see, the RSI is showing us that it's almost reaching our overbought level before we witness our RSI. I hope you can see. I hope you can see what I'm trying to do here. I hope you guys can see what I'm trying to do here. Let me just zoom it so that it can be visible. Yeah, this is what I'm always doing. When I trade, I always focus on this indicator. When it reaches the overbought position, as you can see here, it reached the overbought. That's when we had our sales, or the price had a pullback. Is it visible? I hope it's visible. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. That's it. Yeah, I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about right there. So as you can see, the price is giving us, or is almost reaching overbought position right there on our indicator. Let me just remove this so that we can focus on our chart. Yeah, after excuse me. Yeah, I was saying, after witnessing or after recognizing what is happening with our indicator, we focus on our chart, and we are about to see that the price previously broke this level, previous resistance. Now it's about to create what you call current support, and if it respects the level, we can witness the price pushing towards the upside. If it doesn't respect this structure, doesn't respect this support, we can witness the price breaking, retesting, and pushing towards the downside. That's the possible move of the price. As we can see, we must have a pullback. Either way, we must have a pullback. Either way, there must be a pullback at some point. The price cannot just shoot straight towards the upside without having the pullback. So I believe we might have a pullback. The price might push a little bit towards this diagonal resistance before we witness the price pushing towards the upside. As we can say, or as we can tell, that the price is very much bullish. You can see this trend right here. The price previously had a pullback, and now we are breaking this previous higher high to create a new higher high before we push towards the upside. Let's go to our 4 hourly time frame so that we can be able to witness what is happening right there. Remember, we start with the higher time frame and then come back to the lower time frame. So that's how we analyze our charts. This is our NASDAQ 100. Remember that. Don't ever forget we are on NASDAQ 100. But you can see the watermark there. On our 4 hourly time frame, just yesterday, the price presented. Yesterday it was Monday, right? It was Monday, the 21st of May. The price gave us a flag pattern, as you can see right there. This is our flag pattern. The price managed to broke and retested. We might have the price pushing towards the upside, or if I was saying, if it's gonna respect this level, if it's gonna respect this position right here. Let me delete this. You can see that we had a flag, and now the price broke. It's pushing towards the upside. So ladies and gentlemen, one thing that I can tell you, if the price, it's possible the price it must come back and retest the level. But if it cannot break it again, it might push towards the downside. Anything can happen with the NASDAQ 100. Whatever that we are doing when we are trading, we just analyzing, and then when we get the trades, Like yesterday, let's push to another instrument. Remember, I'm analyzing gold and NASDAQ. Oh, not this one. Gold and NASDAQ. Yesterday around 8 p.m. I opened some trades, and then this is what is happening. It seems like our gold is showing up, like it's giving us a good impressions right there. It's giving us a good movement, or it's going according to the way I planned. It's moving towards this direction I planned. Oh, this is our gold on daily time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, we witnessed that our price, let's draw this for a future purpose. As we can see, our price has been giving us a couple of trends in trend. You can see trading some trends in trends here. Gold is bullish still. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we can make more money when we follow the trend. When you follow the trend, you can make more money. But when you have a chance to scalp while the price is having a pullback, please do so, because there might be a day like yesterday. There was nothing happening on the market, especially when we look at our fundamental news. There was no news yesterday. Even today, there are no higher major news or higher rated news. That's the only time we're gonna have news is tomorrow on Wednesday. That's when we will be having our CPI. The news will be there. So I'm thinking this is what we could witness with our price. This is what we might have on our gold. I hope this makes sense to you guys. This is what we might have. Remember, this is our daily time frame. If the price doesn't push towards this level right here, it doesn't push towards this diagonal support, it might push towards this horizontal support and push towards the upside. If it doesn't follow, or if it doesn't go according to my prediction here or my expectation, we might have this type of price moving towards this direction. So it's our gold, it's our instruments. So we were just on our daily time frame. Let's push towards 4-hourly time frame. So ladies and gentlemen, on our 4-hourly time frame, this is what we might witness. You can see that my trades are on the price is following my prediction, my selling positions there, as you can see. So ladies and gentlemen, we can witness that the price managed to to give us a beautiful structure, as we are always predicting or always expecting the price to move with the same move or with the same expectations or direction. Remember, what we have is, this is our price movement, pull back and pushing towards the upside, pull back, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, until we have this type of structure before we break the structure and we end up having the lower lows and higher lows and lower lows. That's the price. That's how the price moves. So we always focus on the price, movement. Let me do this so that we can have a simple I hope I don't take too long. I don't want to take too long. Yeah, let me mark that as our high. Why is turning direction this? Okay, there we go. Let me clone it so that we can have there we go. You can see I'm trying to mark these positions, like that's our higher highs and our higher lows. This is our higher low. I think I will need this to be on a bigger yeah, I don't want to take too much time. I don't want this video to be too long, because yeah, this is our higher low. So I'm hoping that our higher low might be around this area. Let's put on our trend line to witness where we could have. Remember, we shouldn't cut the wicks, né? We need to draw our trend lines. So this is our gold. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is our gold. I guess we can have, or we could have something like this time. So our gold might push towards this price or this level. If it respects this level, it will give us what do you call a support before we witness our price pushing towards the upside. My 4-hourly time frame. Let's check on our indicator. Remember, I always check on the indicator so that I get to understand where the price is moving. As you can see, our indicator is telling us the price is about to move towards the downside. We might have something like this. Didn't want to stop right there, but it did. Anyway, we could have something like this. Since we had overbought there, it really shows we had our overbought. The price is on our indicator was on our overbought position, overbought level. So now we can have the price pushing towards the downside, or witnessing the price pushing towards the downside to reach our oversold level. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. Those who always watch my live videos, I believe that we can have a great day, we can have a great channel if we support. Those who are new, please do subscribe, and those who are always watching the video, let's continue to watch the videos, and please let's hit that like button or that like thumb so that our video can be able to grow, our channel can be able to grow, and our videos can be able to reach more people. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching the video. I really appreciate you all. May God bless.